Namaste, hello from the Philippines. So when we talk about women empowerment, it's not only addressed by women alone, because men will always support women empowerment. So let's just think about it. So women, is not only relegated when we talk about empowerment, it's actually a partnership among this community. So when things look, started the e-village. E-village could be excellence. It could be education village. It could be empowerment village. So every activity or opportunity we do in this e-village is a reflection. It's a growing process. It's a trial and error process actually, where excellence can be the output. Get excellence for media, outstanding education, outstanding in every activity we do. Excellence not being perfection, but doing the best we could in any skill or any activity we engage in. So you just look at time. When we look at time, at time being censored by powers that be. So when we talk of excellence, as I said, excellence doesn't have to be limiting power. It emboldens you, it educates you, it empowers you to reach out not only within your exacting community. We go beyond the 150 acres in this phase 1 of PUs. So that's why we are going to support you as much as you support your families, your children, and the big community around us, which is the world. So we are here to support you in any way we can, and thank you very much for your invitation. And let's have empowerment in everything we do. Thank you.
That is okay. Thank you.